Welcome to the Sparkle Z Boutique. And today I'm going to have you decorate with me while I transform this pink purple living room into a neutral palette. If you want to see how I do that, you know what you got to do. Keep watching.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Decorated it. And I'm going to stick with all different shades of gray and a bit of white, cream, this all neutral shades. And this is the stuff that we're working with. And I got some extra surprises in there too with the collaboration that I'll let you know about in a second. Keep watching. Show these curtains. I got these curtains. I contacted LUSH Decor. They agreed to collaborate with me, and I will leave a link down below with these curtains. It's these beautiful gray panels with a white sheer, and I picked these because it gives me the gray that I want in the back. But this white sheer, you just want a sheer curtain, you can use that as well. So I am totally in love with them. So I'm going to add these first on all three windows. And when I put them on this rack to keep them so that they get that nice little pleat look, I'm gonna take this tag off. That probably wasn't the best way to do that, but go back to that in a second. I'm gonna start over this end and tuck it in this hole, then put it in this hole, then put it like this, do it, just fold it in just like this, so that when you put it on this rack, it'll look better like that. I'm going to turn to the rose gold, and this is my silver set that I made. Also came from LUSH Decor, nice and fluffy and soft. When you first take them out the package, you gotta fluff them out, again adding texture. I'm not finished, but here is how we've come along so far. Again, here are these beautiful curtains from LUSH Decor. And I will be doing another video on how to style the curtains different ways. Right now, I'm just trying to get an idea of exactly how I want everything. And of course, I'm going to be painting this couch. I'm sorry, Chase Gray. I've already painted the back as a test, and it's looking beautiful. And I also painted the back of this chair gray, and that video is coming up very shortly. And I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with that wall. I'm thinking about making that a white flower wall. And I really think this living room is awesome. And I have scaled it down some. The neutral colors with, it's a neutral gray, white, and beige, but my papa color is the gold. That's why I want the purple painted gray and that painted gray. And I really like the little table down the bottom. I think it adds a little special detail. And these lamps from Offer Up, the clock from Pier 1 that I already had. And here is the bar cart moved on the other side with the little crystal curtain from Shop Wild Things to make this area look separate. And this is all the pink stuff that I removed from the other side of the wall. Still have that same table here, but I just added this here, which already had that already. I'm not quite sure exactly how everything is going to end up looking once everything is painted, but I'm absolutely in love with this neutral palette. I can go so many ways with this. You guys tell me down below, which one did you like better, the pink or the gray? I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.